Yep, this video might only get 48 views, and half of them could be me refreshing the page. But you know what? That's exactly the problem we're here to fix, for both of us. Running a small business today is like doing a TikTok trend while your website crashes and your ad budget sets itself on fire. You're expected to be a content creator, a web designer, a copywriter, and a full-time sales machine, all before lunch. Website looks like it's allergic to mobile, posting great content, but getting 0 comments. Tired of paying for ads that get less action than your old MySpace page? You're not alone. Even we struggle with visibility sometimes. And we do this for a living. But the difference? We've got tools that make the grind smarter, not harder. At MarketinGear, we help small businesses like yours and, yeah, like ours, get seen, get leads, and actually grow. Modern websites that are more than just pretty, they convert. Marketing automation. Our AI map that follows up with leads 24/7. Local SEO plus business listings that make sure Google loves you. Email plus social campaigns that are done for you, not by you. Look, we're not promising viral fame, but we are promising real marketing that actually works without you needing to sell your soul to an algorithm. Let's be real. You didn't start your business to master meta tags and feed hacks. You started it to make money and help people. We help you do that. MarketinGear. Marketing that makes sense and sense. Let's get started.